Herman here with RJO Futures. Going to take a quick look at Friday's non-farm payroll number and its potential effects on the markets. Expectations have this number coming in at 250,000, which is lower than June's number of 370,000. Last week we saw the Fed come out with a 75 basis point increase as an attempt to combat inflation, and since then we have seen the largest increase in stocks after a hike of that size since the 1970s, showing that we may have a bad news is good news situation in the stock market. We've also seen gold prices trade higher 6 of the last trading sessions, with the US dollar and US Treasury yields pulling back some as we go into this key reading. Despite the recent 2 consecutive negative GDP readings signaling a recession, a low unemployment number, and the fact that a hotter running economy allows the Fed to be more aggressive in fighting inflation has continued to prop up the stock market and the US dollar. A non-farm payrolls number higher than expected would allow the Fed to be more aggressive in its tightening policy moving forward, boosting the dollar, which would typically weigh on the stock market and gold. Better than expected job growth and employment could be viewed that a recession isn't as close as some predict, allowing stocks to continue higher. A number closer to or lower than the expectation of 250,000 signals a cooling economy that would limit how aggressive the Fed can be raising rates moving forward. This would increase the chances of the looming recession, and in the near term boost stocks and push gold and the dollar lower. Again, this is what we expect, but with the US dollar being a safe haven in the current uncertainty in the global economy, we could see any pullback recover quickly. As always, this reading will be key and probably cause some volatility in the market. In my opinion, we'll see some slowing in the labor market, but not as much as expectations suggest. If you would like to discuss any of the markets mentioned today or any other futures markets, feel free to reach out to me at 312-373-5099.